everyone, welcome to Discover Natural. And yes, today, we are doing my full wash day. So the first thing I do after sectioning my hair is I use my Molasses hair mask. And my Molasses hair mask is simply molasses yogurt with some oils, and you can find all the ingredients in the description area, and also I have it in the DIY section of my video channel. Now this molasses hair mask makes my hair really soft. After applying it to all sections, I cover my hair with a plastic cap and also my heated bonnet. After 20 minutes, I rinse my hair under the shower and also detangle it at the same time. And now it's time to shampoo. I always shampoo my hair, and I'm using the Kadima African black soap shampoo that comes with a conditioner also. It's very light, it's watery, but it suds up a lot and it does a good job at cleansing my hair. So I always work in sections when I start to shampoo my hair, and then I always use my fingers first, and afterwards I will proceed to rinsing the water out. If I have a lot of product buildup on my scalp, I take out my brush and I use that to wash my hair. Now that is my shampoo process. The next thing is to deep condition, and I'm using my Shebe deep conditioner. I usually use any deep conditioner that I have handy, and all I do is I just add in some Shebe in there. Make sure I saturate my hair, especially my ends, very well with this mixture, and I twist up my hair after that. Once I'm done applying it to my hair and my edges, I cover my hair with a plastic cap and my heated cap again. Now it's time to rinse after leaving it for at least an hour, and I'm going to rinse my hair thoroughly. You want to really rinse it thoroughly so that you don't have too much of the Shea left over. So after rinsing my hair and getting everything out, it's time for me to do my rice water rinse. Usually at this time I would have been soaking my rice water for about 2 to 3 days. So all I have to do is just sieve out the water from the rice and then just add my essential oils. And the essential oils that I will be adding are mainly for the scent, and lavender is also good for hair growth. Tea tree oil is excellent for your scalp, so that is why I use these two oils in my hair. Once I'm done drying my hair with a t-shirt, this is my hair texture for people wondering what my hair texture is and my hair type or whatever. I have a lot. I have like 3 or 4 hair types, so I don't know. This is what I have. That's what I'm working with. So now it's time to moisturize my hair. I start off by moisturizing my hair with my green tea. So it's just a cup of green tea, and I squeeze the water in, and the reason why is because I'm low porosity and the water will just sit on top of my hair. Next, I use my oil and I apply the oil to my scalp and massage it really well. After massaging it, I will now take the oil and apply it to the length of my hair and concentrate also at the ends of my hair. So the next product I'll be using is just a moisturizing cream, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that, apply it to the length of my hair, and really smoothing it down and squeezing it in to get it really saturated in there. For the ends of my hair, I add in some shea butter mixed with Chebe, and that is pretty much it. We now join on to doing the styles, and usually I wear my styles throughout the week, so it's only like 1 style a week. Today I just decided to do something different, which was just twist and flat twist. So this is my hairstyle, and I just stretch it for the week and moisturize during the week, and this is pretty much my wash day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.